I'm making this video in honor of my granddaughter, Rose Amelia Quinn. I'm going to show how to make a rose out of ribbon in honor of her. My mom showed us kids how to do this years and years ago, and I totally forgot it. Suddenly I remembered it. I have no idea why, but I did. So Rose, here's how your great grandmother would make decorations. This is 1.5 inch ribbon, and we have roughly 5 feet of 1.5 inch ribbon. First thing we need to do is find the middle. So you put the two ends together. And there is the middle of the ribbon. The next thing we're going to do is make an L. And to do that, we're going to take and fold the pieces like this. We now have an L. The bottom piece, the piece underneath the corner of the L, gets folded over. Now we have an L, it just goes the other way. So this is the bottom piece. We'll throw this over top and make another L. It just keeps going like that. You fold the bottom piece over top, bottom piece over top, constantly making it an L. My little Rose is just the most adorable little girl, and she has a sister named Ella Grace. Now I know how to make a rose out of ribbon because of my mom, but Ella, I am so sorry. I'll never be able to figure out how to make another Ella Grace out of ribbon. Now eventually, we will get to the end of the ribbon, and that's where we will make the rose. Now I chose 1.5 inches because it makes a nice size rose, but you can do it on 3/4 inch. When it gets too small, it doesn't work very well. Here we go. I know this seems boring. You just keep doing the same thing over and over again. I hope you're watching, Rose. This is very exciting. We're almost to the end. And there it is, a rose. Well, not exactly. Now you take these two and you go under it a little bit so you have a hold of something, and then you let it go. That doesn't look like a rose. I know it doesn't look like a rose. I'm Grandpa, I know stuff. It looks like a funny little snake. But you take this end, you hold it just above that, and you pull one of them. I'm going to pull the one there. I'm holding this one, pulling this one. And we're about to see, as your dad, my son, says, "Now wait to be amazed." I don't know where he got that from. But we pull it. And suddenly, we have a rose. We have a rose. The way I keep the rose is I take a zip tie. My mom used to tie it with ribbon, with thread, and it was really a pain, but this is so much easier. You take a zip tie, put it around the base of the rose. You have to tie it real tight, because if you let it go, it'll fall apart. There she is. Rose Amelia, that's how you make a rose. And if you use smaller, it becomes smaller. So passing that down from generation to generation, Rose, you know how to make a rose. Thank you.